Hi guys, and welcome to Agri Show 2019, the biggest show in South America. My name is Ícaro Bedani, journalist invited by Fendt to moderate a talk with our team from AGCO and Fendt. Today, I will talk with Eric Hansocha, Chief Operation Officer and Senior Vice President AGCO. Eric is responsible for all of AGCO's regional commercial operations as well as its global production management, engineering, manufacturing and supply chain functions. In his previous role at AGCO, he focused on the operation and strategic direction for global crop cycle initiatives and Fuse Connect service, as well as dealer technical support business. He's based out of AGCO's corporate headquarters, located in Duluth, United States. Luis Feli is AGCO's South America President. Luis oversees the portfolio of over 150 new products in South America, including tractors, harvesters, seeders, and sprayers. He has an eye for using smart technology and holds an MBA from Columbia University in New York. José Gali is the Fendt Director in South America. José is responsible for introducing, marketing, and positioning the Fendt line in South America. Prior to that, he was a business manager for Precision Planting, and prior to that, he was with Monsanto in Brazil. First, let me tell you where we got the name Fendt from. The AGCO's Fendt brand got its name from Herman and Xavier Fendt. The two brothers founded the Fendt line in 1930 with the guidance of their father, Johann Georg Fendt. The line was purchased by AGCO in 1997. The Fendt family has more than 350-year history of craftsmanship, building tower clocks, violins, and of later, of course, agriculture machines. Let me start the question with you, Eric. Why bring the Fendt brand to South America?
Well, good morning. That's actually a very easy question. It's all about our customers. The customers in South America, the farmers that farm here, are some of the largest, most productive farmers anywhere in the world. Brazil has an important role in the world in general to be able to help the planet feed itself, and these farmers are playing a key role in that. They have very high expectations in terms of productivity, technology, and customer support to be able to make sure their operations are running the most profitably. Fendt fits that need perfectly. And so between the product attributes that we're bringing with Fendt and the overall Fendt experience, it's a perfect fit for these customers as they grow and help feed the world.
José, what are the key functions that make Fendt products unique?
So Brazilian farmers are becoming every year more professional and are desiring to have new technologies to support them to become more effective, to become more productive and getting more yield in their crops. So Fendt products can really help them on this. We have the smartest planter in the world, the best tractor with the most updated technology, and a brand new concept of a combined harvest with IDEAL.
How long will it take the Fendt products to fully launch in South America? And what will the distribution channels look like?
Okay. Well, essentially we're launching it here today. We're inviting our customers and dealers and the entire market to help see not only the product, but the entire brand experience that we're bringing to the marketplace. So we're launching it here. The Fendt experience will go through several phases or chapters. In the beginning, we're demoing machines with customers. We're taking these tractors and combines and planters and taking them right out onto the farm in the farmer's operation and showing them how much more productive the machine is, but then how much more profitable the farmer can be. Based on that exposure chapter, I think the market will get to understand what Fendt has to offer. We're bringing those products to market through our own company store right in Mato Grosso, the heart of farming in South America, in Sorriso. And so we've dedicated an operation there. It's where the Fendt distribution business will start, but that's not the only solution. We're going to expand into dealers throughout all of Brazil over the course of time as farmers take on the Fendt opportunity.
Sorriso is a very special place for Brazilian farmers, and we are glad that the Fendt mark will start there.
Yes, we're excited to plant our flag right in the center of where farmers are growing the fastest and where some of the most professional farmers are in the world.
José, you've been studying the Fendt brand for a long time. What do you think the farmers here will like best about the Fendt products and why?
So, Fendt brand is a very traditional brand, a reliable company with high quality products and innovative technology. This is everything that a Brazilian farmer would like to have here to improve their profitability and raise their yields. So our products in Brazil will bring exactly these technologies, and we need to bring the culture from Fendt that Fendt has around the globe also to Brazil.
The Fendt brand is very new to South America. But can you talk about the initial feedback? What are people in South America saying about Fendt?
Fendt is new in South America, but it's not new to the Brazilian growers. Brazilian growers, they have known Fendt for years and years. They used to go to Agritechnica in Europe and visit and see the tractors. They always ask the question, when Fendt's come to Brazil? And the day finally came. We're here launching Fendt at Agri Show. We are having a great attendance to the show. We already sold some tractors yesterday on the first day. Very excited with the response we got so far. We got news out last week through a press conference, and the response we got through the social media, response we got at AGCO, contacts and people, it's amazing. We're very excited. I think it'll be extremely successful year for us in Fendt in Brazil this year.
Eric, I have 3 questions for you. How will the Fendt branding launch in South America impact AGCO as a whole? What are the anticipated results, and what's happening globally with Fendt and why?
Okay. You know, I'd start again where the first answer to that is about our customer. By bringing the Fendt experience, Fendt products, Fendt experience to South America, it better positions AGCO to serve the needs of those biggest, most professional, most demanding farmers in this market, much like we do already in Europe, and we are launching in North America. So the first part is about serving our customers more successfully and being a better partner with them. Internally to the company, it allows the global team to work more closely together. As we bring Fendt to South America, we're leveraging the history and the lessons learned and the experiences of how to do the details just right from places where Fendt has already been successful, and bringing those into this region and figuring out which ones of those that we want to bring in exactly and which ones we need to modify for the South America market. But it's causing our team to work much more closely together, which I'm excited about.
Luis, will AGCO be offering special incentives or financing to support the adoption of the Fendt brand in South America? If so, what can those who are interested in purchasing and Fendt products in South America expect?
Well, number one is we're able to have our Fendt products all into the special programs that we have in Brazil, in the Finame programs, the tractors, the combine, as well as the planters. I mean, we're there. I mean, there's nothing more attractive than that so far in South America, and then we'll keep on that. Right now, what we're saying is, we're going to have our Fendt division in Sorriso. We're going to be there. Meanwhile, we are talking to several growers across Mato Grosso. We had a series of discussions and presenting the product, introducing. They're very excited. We had a lot of good response. We got, as I mentioned, sales already. We got a lot of people said we're coming to Agri Show. We're going to see it, and we really want to be the first ones at Fendt. Actually, the largest grower in the world, Bonfuturo, said, I want to be the first to buy Fendt in Brazil, in South America, and they already bought tractors last week.
Fendt is considered the best of all. How will quality be ensured for the Fendt products in South America?
So quality is part of the heart of Fendt around the world. So we are really concerned to guarantee the same quality that we have in our Maktoberdorf facilities, also in our Brazilian facilities that will produce the planters, the Momentum planter, and the IDEAL combine. So for that, AGCO has made a very impressive investment in our facilities to create a brand new line of production that will be really updated, that will be really important to guarantee the best quality of our products also for our market.
AGCO products and service already have a strong presence in South America. In addition to the Fendt launch, let's talk about the other AGCO products and service offered in South America, and especially the ones right here at the Agri Show.
Well, AGCO in general, I mean, we've been a very exciting moment for AGCO South America because we've been in a process of launching over 150 new products in the last 3 years. We're going to launch another 50 products this year. I mean, if you think about 200 new products within a course of 4 years' time in this industry is considered unimaginable. I mean, very excited. We're being able to offer what is the newest technology available at AGCO world here in South America. Tractors, combines, sprayers, as well as planters. I mean, with Momentum planters simply became like the best planter in the market as it comes in. Growers here are looking for more speed. They're looking for planting fast, harvesting fast, and then come back again, plant a second crop very fast and harvest very fast to be able to fit within the rain window that we have, the rainfall window that we have. Meaning, and all the solutions we're bringing at AGCO today is gearing towards the direction that growers expect. Very exciting times, very excited with new products, very excited with new dealers. We're expecting substantial progress and growth in South America with all this change that's been happening, taking place the last 3 years.
So Eric, what's smart farming and how is the concept impacting AGCO?
Yeah, you know, smart farming, let me give you a little background. Farming in general has all sorts of variables, lots of things to adjust and optimize, and typically we don't, you know, each farmer doesn't get it just right. So smart farming is about changing our machines so that we can add a few sensors, very rugged, reliable, low-cost sensors, where they can sense the environment around the machine and then be able to use that information from the sensor to be able to optimize how the machine runs. Essentially automate those difficult features that sometimes our farmers don't get quite just right. So what's an example? The IDEAL combine, most intelligent combine in the world. Momentum planter, most intelligent, smart machine planter in the world. And same thing for this tractor. And smart farming, actually, on some of these products, was designed right here. This Momentum planter was designed with Brazilian customers, working alongside Brazilian engineers, developing a solution, and then testing it into the Brazilian environment to make sure that this smart machine works great for Brazilian farmers. Same thing for the combine, and we've had these tractors on test here as well.
Thank you. Luis, how is the smart farming concept taking hold in South America?
Well, growers are, first of all, South American growers are early adopters in technology, especially if you think about the professional farmers. I mean, they're always looking to whatever is going to bring them more yields, what's going to give them more efficiency, lower costs. I mean, we've seen that all the time. Smart farming come exactly to answer their needs in regard to be more efficient, be able to produce more yields, less cost, less diesel consumption, for example, a better management of the overall production system, you know, all integrated with connectivity. This is all about connecting, getting all the equipment together, extract the maximum value of the technology, what it has to offer, and that's why the Brazilian farmers are very exciting and they're eager to adopt and increase the use of it.
Okay, I just have to ask one more question for you, Eric. Tell me about the new IDEAL combine. What do people need to know about and why?
Well, I couldn't be more excited about the IDEAL combine and many of our other products here, but if we talk about IDEAL combine, it was a clean sheet of paper design, and what we started with was customer input. Got customers set side by side with customers at their kitchen table or riding with them in the machine. Understood what they needed out of their harvesting solution for the future, not what was on the market today. And then we turned our development team loose and said, you have no constraints. We want you to design the world's best combine, the most productive machine that's the easiest to use. and that's absolutely what they've delivered. The IDEAL Combine now has all sorts of features. I won't get into the details on that, but it's great. Its combination does a great job on grain quality, grain losses, throughput, has the largest grain tank, fastest unload rate, and does all of these things in an automated way. So you can put it in autopilot mode, interfacing with an iPad, put it in autopilot mode, and the machine not only steers for itself, which combines have been doing for a number of years, but now this machine makes the adjustments on its own as well. As the crop conditions are changing, the machine continues to adjust itself to optimally set all of its settings to harvest that crop perfectly as the conditions change throughout the field. I think it's going to be an absolute winner for Brazil. We're seeing huge excitement all around the world and at this show, and we expect it to be the market leader in a short amount of time.
Okay, thank you. I want to thank you guys for this moment. Appreciate your time here, and see you in the next Agri Show.